My channel, Sparkling Glue. So glad to have you here. So we're back with the Joy Journal. So this is our part 3, and I just wanted to show you some of the pages that I've been working on. I'll link part 1 and 2. One is just explaining about the journal, and the other is the tutorial on how to make it. But anyway, so first page, this is fabric. It was from Walmart. It's Waverly. It's a yard, and I think it's like under $5. And I decoupaged it onto paper, and it looks so pretty. I guess on camera it might look the same. I can't tell, but in person, it kind of just deepened the violet, the purple. I don't know, it's really pretty. So, and then I made a little pocket and had put some lace and a little book tag, or bookmark, I guess, or tag. And it says, good things come to those who wait, better things come to those who don't give up, and the best things come to those who believe. So I just thought that was pretty. And then this is memories are the treasures we keep in our heart. I just thought those were two pretty sayings. The next page, also, these are napkins. This is a napkin that I decoupaged onto paper. And then I just took a screenshot of it and printed some paper and glued this strip on, only because I didn't have enough left and I didn't want to go through the whole process again. And then I just matted a picture, and I don't know if I've talked about this before, and if I have, I apologize. So when I find sayings online that I like, maybe in Facebook or a post, or I save the picture, take a screenshot, and then I sent them over to Walgreens. You upload your photos and you can get them printed, and you can pick the size you want, and it's not that expensive. I can't remember the exact price. I want to say they always have a coupon for 40% off. Maybe it's 20 cents a picture. I really don't remember exactly, but you upload it, and I think Walmart does that, CVS, and probably tons of other places I just am not aware of. Anyway, so I upload, so this is a saying that I found online, and I just thought it was really pretty, and I printed it, and when you get and then they'll mail you the pictures, or you could pick it up, one or the other, depending on the location. This says, happiness is letting go of what you assume your life is supposed to be like right now, and sincerely appreciating it for everything that it is. At the end of this day, before you close your eyes, smile and be at peace with where you've been and grateful for what you have. Life is good. And I don't know, that just resonates. If you can just appreciate what you have, and try to look on the bright side, it helps me. The next page, I went over this in one of the series 1 or 2, part 1 or 2 in this, but this paper's from Knitwit Collections, and it just has some really cute sayings and pretty flowers, and I think it's called Cottage Garden. So I did that, and this page is one of them I also went over because I had those 2 pages done already. And this was just some paper I made in Canva, and then a little print or metallic cardstock I cut in Cricut. And this is, again, napkins that I decoupaged onto paper and then cut them and put them in the book. This is another one of the pictures I ordered from Walgreens. And it says, there comes a time in life when you walk away from all the drama and people who create it. Surround yourself with people who make you laugh, forget the bad, and focus on the good. Love the people who treat you right, pray for the ones who don't. Life is too short to be anything but happy. Falling down is part of life. Getting back up is living. Anyway, like I said, and I found some of these probably years ago, and I just saved the photo on my phone and then come back to it. So, but very pretty. This is also another napkin, and I don't know, that just reminds me of just like the Mediterranean or something with the grapes. Anyway, it says, not all storms come to disrupt your life. Some come to clear your path. And that really is a good way to look at it, right? You don't know sometimes why something happened, but later on you say, well, wow, that brought me back to this great place or took me there. Anyway, and this was also a picture that I had printed and then just cut up. And this is another napkin I had, and and these are just the paper napkins where you just peel off the backings and then glue them on to decoupage them on. And a little trick I saw, if you I use this to glue the napkin to the paper first and then decoupage on top, and that worked even better. I used to do decoupage on the bottom on the page, put the napkin on, and then decoupage the top. But doing this, the napkin doesn't rip as easy, it dries quick, so that was really a good little trick I saw. This is another picture, again, I saved. It's 7 Rules of Life. I know I said there's no rules in this book, so it's just a saying, but make peace with your past so it won't disturb your present. Number 2, what other people think of you is none of your business. Boy, that's true, right? 3, time heals almost everything. Give it time. 4, no one is in charge of your happiness except you. And that's a pretty strong statement. 5, don't compare your life to others and don't judge them. You have no idea what their journey is all about. Let that sink in, right? 6, stop thinking too much. It's all right not to know the answers. And that's really true. You don't have to know everything. Nobody does. And 7, smile. You don't own all the problems in the world. So anyway, I don't know, that, again, something that just, when I read these, they make me think of happy and good thoughts. And again, more napkins. I've been napkining this book with decoupage, but I'm having fun with it. And another picture, again, that was printed. There will always be a reason why you meet people. Either you need them to change your life, or you're the one that will change theirs. And yeah, okay. So and then I started working on some pages, but I haven't done anything. So that's where we're at with my joy journal. And I hope you guys have been working on yours, and that it's making you happy and bringing you some joy. And anyway, well, thanks for stopping by my channel and letting me share my joy journal with you guys, or my leave a little sparkle wherever you go. And anyway, I'll catch you on the next video. Have a great one.